Welcome to this 15-minute yoga flow to stretch your entire body. We will need a yoga strap today, and blocks are optional. Let's begin by sitting cross-legged or in any sitting posture. Sit up tall and lengthen your spine here. Close your eyes and breathe. Breathe in and out through your nose. On every inhale, feel your spine lengthen. And on every exhale, allow your body and mind to relax. Focus on nothing except your breath here. If your mind wanders today during your practice, simply return your awareness back to your breath. Take one more deep inhale. And one more deep exhale. Open your eyes and hold your yoga strap in front of your body with your arms straight. Then raise the strap up, back, and down behind you. Then return the strap back towards the front of your body. Continue repeating this back and forth motion with the yoga strap. Return the strap towards the front of your body and set the strap aside. Bring your knees around you and sit back onto your heels. Interlace your hands behind you and squeeze your shoulder blades together as you broaden your chest. Take a deep breath in. Then place the top of your head down to the mat. Keep your fingers interlaced and press your palms together here. Continue to hold for 3 rounds of breath. Release your hands down onto the mat and bring yourself into tabletop with your wrists facing towards the front of your mat for flipped wrist cat. Inhale as you drop your belly, head comes up for cow. Exhale as you round your spine, bring your chin to chest cat. Do a few more rounds of cat-cow on your own pace. Start to bring yourself to a neutral spine. Then turn your fingers to face the front of your mat. Slide your right arm underneath your left for thread the needle, and bring your right cheek down to the mat. You can choose to straighten out the left arm, or wrap the left arm around you for a half bind. Continue to breathe and focus on your breath here. Start to return yourself back to tabletop. Then slide your left arm underneath your right and bring your left cheek down to the mat. Start to place your right hand beneath your shoulder and bring yourself up into tabletop. Then lower your hips and forearms down to the mat for sphinx pose. Press the tops of your toes down into the mat and draw your shoulders away from your ears. Start to press your palms down into the mat and straighten out your arms for seal pose. Take a full breath in. Full breath out. Lower your forehead down to the mat and place your hands by your rib cage. Inhale as you lift your chest and forehead off the mat for cobra. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Curl your toes beneath you and send your hips up and back to downward facing dog. Keep your ears in line with your shoulders, and you can bend and straighten your legs to stretch out your calves and hamstrings. Start to find stillness here with your legs. Then start to shift your weight forward and lower your hips and thighs down onto the mat and flip over the tops of your feet. Press your toes down into the mat, and you can choose to straighten your arms or micro bend your elbows. Start to shift your hips back towards your heels for child's pose and bring your forehead down to the mat. Breathe and focus on your breath here. Start to lift your forehead off the mat and bring your legs around you. Straighten out your right leg and bring your left foot into your inner thigh. Take your yoga strap and wrap it around your right foot as you bring your head to your knee here. You should feel a stretch in your hamstrings. You can also microbend your right knee. Continue to take deep breaths here in this pose. Begin to remove the strap from your right foot and switch sides. Extend your left leg and bring your right foot into your thigh. Place the strap around your left foot and bring your head to your knee here. Start to remove the strap from your left foot and extend your right leg out for a wide straddle. Keep your spine long and straight here. You can reach your arms out in front of you or lower down onto your forearms. You can also rest your forehead down onto blocks, or you can grab your toes here. Begin to press your hands down into the mat as you lengthen your spine back up to seated. Bring your legs around you for Dandasana. Straighten your legs or micro bend the knees here. Inhale as you lengthen your spine, and exhale as you forward fold over your legs. Focus on your breath here. Start to lift your head and walk your hands towards the back of your mat. Press down into your hands and squeeze your glutes as you lift your hips off the mat. Press down into your heels and keep your chin tucked into your chest. Lower your hips back down onto the mat and make your way to pigeon. Bend and place your left knee behind your left wrist and straighten out your right leg behind you. You can lower down onto your forearms, blocks, or forehead. Take a full breath in. Full breath out. Continue to breathe here. Start to lift your forehead off the mat and switch sides. Bring your right knee behind your right wrist and straighten your left leg out behind you. You can lower down onto your forearms or stack your palms together and place your forehead down. Take one more deep breath in. One more deep breath out. Start to lift your head off the mat. Then bring your legs around you and lower down onto your back. Keep your knees bent and place your heels by your glutes. Bring your knees out to the sides and bring the bottoms of your feet to touch for a reclined butterfly. You can also place blocks under your knees for more support. Close your eyes here and connect with your breath. Start to bring gentle awareness back into your body. Wiggle your toes, wiggle your fingers. Then use your hands to bring your knees together. And gently roll over to the right side, curling into a fetal position. Start to make your way to a seated position on your mat. Once you find your seat, close your eyes and bring your hands to touch at your heart center. Give gratitude to your mind, body, and your breath for showing up today for your practice. Thank you for practicing with me today. See you in the next video.